Nortek. We have been designing, engineering and manufacturing solutions for lubrication systems and fluid technology for more than half a century. Innovation and development in our projects is our hallmark. We are allies of the most demanding industries worldwide, designing products end-to-end for the steel industry, refineries, cement plants and green energy. We manufacture new solutions for major challenges. Our equipment is customized to your needs. In our plants of more than 8,000 square meters, we take care of everything, from the design phase to assembly and commissioning, so that everything flows and nothing stops. We carry our fluid technology all over the world, with our own patents and important developments. As a worldwide reference supplier, we provide support from our main offices in Spain and the United States, accompanied by our worldwide agents. We are 100% engineers, 100% manufacturers. Thanks to our continuously growing research and innovation process, we manufacture tailor-made solutions in fluid technology, such as centralized lubrication, oil circulation equipment, filtration, and oil dehydration, among others, always subject to ISO 9000 quality controls. The delivery of your finished product is only the first step. Our continuous research processes in Industry 4.0, together with European Union bodies, allow us to provide our customers with improvements in operability and data analysis that give rise to productive machines, efficient projects, and successful teams. Nortek, we make everything flow and nothing stops.